Welcome back to the Mudra classes beta. So today I am going to explain you question number 12 and question number 13 from subsidiary books. This is the last session from this for this chapter. Okay, so let's see the question. This is the 12th question. What is given in the question? Sold goods to Archana given. You know very well this is credit sale. So in sales book we have to see here sales book we have. So here we have to write simply Archana name. Okay, and 10,000 rupees amount October 1st. So 10,000 rupees amount 2017 October 1st. This is the date. Bill number not given, so we have to write number 1 chronological order. Next, goods purchased from Divya side, so write in Divya book, purchase book. So date 4 Divya book 6,000. Purchase book Divya we have to write date 4 number 1, and the amount, what is the amount given beta? 6,000 rupees. So write down here 6,000 rupees. Date, what is the date given? 2017 October 4th. Okay, let's see the next one. Purchase goods from Manasvi given. So in purchase book we have to write. So open the purchase book, write there Manasvi number 2. How much amount given? 8,000 rupees. Date 8. So write down here 8,000 rupees. Date is 8. Okay, very simple. We have to follow the procedure. See the next one, goods written by Archana. Here students are confusing. Whenever written said, students will confuse purchase written or sale written. Then what we have to do? Which name given here? Archana. With Archana name previously what happened? We have to check. With Archana name previously we sold goods. That means now written said means now we have to write in the sale written book. So in sale written book we have to write Archana name. Okay, and credit note number 1, and the amount, how much goods we return? 500. So that 500 we have to write here. Credit note number 1, whatever date given, that date we have to write. Goods sold to Archana, 10th date given, so that 10th date we will write here. Okay, see the next transaction. Goods sold to Shivani. Goods sold to Shivani. Goods sold to Shivani said. So in sales book we have to write 14th date Shivani 3,000. So 14th date Shivani 3,000. Next one. Right. Return goods to Divya said, Nana. Return said, once again you will confuse purchase return or sale return. So with Divya, previously with Divya name, what happened? You have to check. Previously with Divya name we purchased goods. The now return means purchase return book we have to write 300. 16th date per Divya 300 in purchase book. So date 16, name Divya, number 1, amount 300. Simple. See the next one. Purchase goods from Madhuri said. So in purchase book we have to write date 18 Madhuri, number 3, amount, how much amount given beta? 4,000 rupees. So that 4,000 rupees we have to write here. Okay, see the next one. Shivani returned goods. Shivani returned goods. With Shivani name, what happened previously? See here, goods sold to Shivani said. Now return means sale return book we have to write 20 date. Sale return book 200. Sale return book 20 date. Shivani name, number 2, and the amount 200. Okay, next, return outwards to Manasvi. Return outwards is another name for purchase return. You may doubt, so check with Manasvi name previously what happened. With Manasvi name previously goods purchased on 8th date. So now return means in purchase return book we have to write. So 21st date Manasvi 400 in purchase return book. So this is purchase return book, date 21, minus fee, number 2, and how much goods returned, say Nana? 400. So right here 400. Okay, now లాస్ట్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ గూడ్స్ సోల్డ్ టు శరణ్య ఆన్ క్రెడిట్. ఇక్కడ క్రెడిట్ అన్నంత మాత్రాన కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవ్వాల్సిన పని లేదు. ఈవెన్ తో దిస్ క్రెడిట్ నాట్ గివెన్ గూడ్స్ సోల్డ్ టు శరణ్య అంటే మనం శరణ్యకి గూడ్స్ అమ్మినాము కానీ పైసలు తీసుకోలేదని అర్థము. సో గూడ్స్ సోల్డ్ టు శరణ్య గివెన్ నానా, దట్ మీన్స్ we sold goods but we not taken cash from Sharanya. That is the meaning. Even though he given credit, that is also the same meaning. So in sales book we have to write this one. Sales book, date 25, Sharanya 7,000. So date 25, Sharanya, and the amount, how much amount? 5,000, 7,000. So date is 7,000. Number 3. With this all transactions completed. Now do the total. Problem will finish. 7 plus 3, here 20,000 total. Now here 700 total, and here 18,000 total, and here 700 total. Okay, so like this we have to do the problems. Very easy. In this problem, four books asked, we done. Now see the next question. This is also 13th question. Same 4 books we have to prepare. If you complete this 13th problem, with this I am going to close this subsidiary books chapter beta. Next 2 problems you do practice, very easy. Okay, similarly if you learn the concept, you can able to do problem easily. Now see the next 13th question. Purchased goods from Amar said. So open one purchase book. Here I open one purchase book. Just a minute, I will draw the lines properly here. Right. Now what is asked, Nana? Purchase goods from Amar said 2018 October 1st. Amar 2000 we have to write. So 2018 October 1st, Amar name, amount 2000, invoice number 1. Okay, next one, goods sold to Pawan said, Nana. Goods sold to Pawan said here goods sold to Pawan said, that means goods sold to Pawan said here. So in Pawan book we have to write, sorry, in sale book we have to write Pawan. So Pawan number 1, and the amount is 3,500, date 4, 3,500, date 4, 2018 October 4th. Okay, see the next one. Goods returned to Amar. Previously with Amar name what happened beta? Purchased. Now return means in purchase return book we have to write, in purchase return book 8, date Amar 200. So purchase return book, this is purchase return book, Amar, amount 200, detail number 1, date is 8, 2018 October 8. Okay, see the next transaction. Sold goods to Srujan. Sold goods to Srujan. So in sale book we have to write Srujan 8,000 after giving trade discount 5%. So Srujan, date 8,000 rupees, 5% discount said, Nana. 5% discount means 5 by 100 we have to write. So 8,000 rupees into 5 by 100. 2 zeros cancel, 8 5s are 40, 1 0 left, 1 0, 400. So in details column 8,000 minus 400 discount, outer column 7,600 is the discount. Okay, see the next one. Goods returned from Pawan. Goods returned from Pawan. Goods returned from Pawan. Okay, so with Pawan name previously what happened beta? With Pawan name previously we sold goods. So in sale return book we have to write 100 rupees, date 15, Pawan, amount 100 rupees, credit note number 1. Okay, next one, purchased machinery said beta, machinery is an asset, machinery is an asset, so we will not write this 5000 rupees here. Okay, next one, goods purchased from Vaibhav said, goods purchased from Vaibhav, so we purchased goods from Vaibhav. This is also credit purchases, this is also credit purchases, so in purchase book we have to write beta Vaibhav. Okay, Vaibhav. Number 2, tell me the amount. What is the amount beta? Goods purchased from Vaibhav 2500, date 19. Okay, see the next one. Return goods from Srujan, 21st date. Return goods from Srujan. With Srujan name previously what happened? You check. With Srujan name previously what happened? Sold on 12th date we sold. So in 21st date nothing but sale return book you have to write. So in sale return book, date 21st, Srujan, date 21st, number 2, amount 150. Okay, see the next question. Sold goods to Ramesh for cash. No, for cash means this is a cash transactions, we will not record in the purchase book or sales book. Already in previous classes I told you, so ignore this transaction, because for cash said, because we sold goods and we received cash, cash transactions we will not record in the sales book or purchase book, we will record in the cash book. Okay, next one, purchase goods from Vinay, so write in purchase book 26th date Vinay 8500, date 26th Vinay 8500. Okay, last transaction Nana, sold goods to Vamshi on credit given, that means no need to confuse here, so we have to write, even though given on credit we have to write sold goods to Vamshi said. In sales book we have to write. Why we have to write? Because ఈ క్రెడిట్ అనేది ఇచ్చినా ఇవ్వకపోయినా అది క్రెడిట్ సేల్ అనే అర్థం. ఈవెన్ తో దిస్ ఆన్ క్రెడిట్ గివెన్ ఆర్ నాట్ గివెన్, ద మీనింగ్ ఈజ్ సేమ్. వి సోల్డ్ గూడ్స్ టు Vamshi on credit. Okay, so Vamshi name we have to write in sales book, date 28 Vamshi 6500, date 28 Vamshi, number 3, amount how much beta? 6500, so we have to write here 6500. Okay, now do the total. With this problem will finish. Okay, 6 5 7 10,000 17,600 is the total. Now here 250 is the total. Now here 8 5 9 13,000 is the total. Here 200 is the total. Okay, so very easy beta. Subsidiary books chapter is very easy. You have to follow the rules. If you remember the purchase book 3 rules and sales book 3 rules, you can able to do problem easily. This is the question number 13 answer. With this I am going to close this session. Do practice very well. Okay, without practice you will not able to do the problems. Okay, okay Nana, take care, bye.